this show is great, then we can
Jeez.
Plant the seeds, plant down, there's not, there's not, and baxter. Get it.
Scene 1, the birth of... Ow. Action!
We come to bear witness to the so beautiful.
Cut! That was
Absolutely perfect.
Handle your werewolf. Trevor, Nancy. Barry, you think that's how a doctor stands?
Oh, I'm sorry. More like.
Let's take. I need to take work. Oh, stench.
Jeez, can you spell Steve?
You've got to big them, people. Look at the next scene.
Helen, age 6. 6 becomes the youngest. Oh,
That's the whole show. There's no plot. Nada. Nothing.
Should we all meow the
I'm over it.
Hold your horses! Kiff, you have the floor.
This is our one shot.
Do not miss your chance to blow.
Give up.
Inside Louis, la 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 la.
All right.
Conspiring up there. Scene 5, Teen Helen, Queen of High School. Action!
Friends to count. Charm just the right amount.
Okay, Sweepy. Give it to us straight.
This is going to be the worst musical ever produced, and I was at the premiere of Legs.
What? We can fix it. I think.
That's what they said about Legs.
Hey, Director Helen.
What do you want?
This script.
How?
I just think this story. Stink.
Name one thing in the script that's... There is 2. The conflict is...
there's not. No.
You genius!
The third act resolution doesn't feel earned.
I earned it by being the word. Are you trying to tell me that the sound of is bad?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, I appreciate you telling me the truth.
Really?
No.
None of you are good enough.
Now what do we? Oh wait, she's coming back.
Do you know it's too good for you, Claire?